started, Swamiji?
Yes.
Is it good? Connection is good?
Yes, yes. Start.
I am going to start or you are going to start?
Yes. Start.
Om Namo Nada Brahma. Namaste, divine friends. I am Akhilanka from Temple of Singing Bowls from Mysore, India. I welcome you to experience this Nada Yoga. It is from ancient Vedic time. For that, you just relax, lie down, and inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. I create a mandala with the sound. If you get any emotional thing, you just exhale from mouth. If you think too much, you exhale from mouth. Now I welcome you.
deep breath. Keeping close our eyes and to meditate on Nad Brahma. This is the divine sound. Is vibrant in environment. Just makes a waves of sounds and to penetrate our senses and to connect with divine self. Ghanta Nad and singing bowl is keeping close our eyes. To listen the divine vibration of the sound energy. Just imagine we are all sitting inside of singing bowl, Nad Brahma temple. हम सब सिंगिंग बॉल नाद ब्रह्म मंदिर के अंदर बैठे हुए ऐसी भावना। Sound energy is the energy of divine. So totally meditate on this divine sound. इस दिव्य ध्वनि पर ध्यान नामग्न हो जाएं। ध्वनि की इस गहराई में जाके the depthness of beautiful this vibrant sound of the divine temple. We are all sitting inside of Nad Brahma temple. There are so many nas of the sound. We are all connected with this divine vibrant sound. प्रकृति की ये तरंगनुमा ध्वनि में से एकाकार हो, one with this beautiful sound of Nath Brahma. to meditate on this divine, beautiful vibe, sound energy. Keeping close our eyes, आंख बिल्कुल बंद रखें और अपने अंतरंग में इस वाइब्रेशन के थ्रू जाएं। इस नाद के माध्यम से ब्रह्म तक की हम पहुंचने की कोशिश नाद ब्रह्म ध्यान है। Through nada of this beautiful sound, we can reach of the divine Brahma. We can reach and realize the Brahma. अपने अंतर्दृष्टि से अंतर्नाद तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करें। नाद के माध्यम से ब्रह्म तक की यात्रा करें। नाद ब्रह्म ध्यान। To meditate on this vibrant sound of nada. And realize this superpower Paramatma within. This is the very peaceful Nada of the Nada Brahma temple, जहां मन हमारा शांत होता है। इस नाद रूपी तरंग से हम अंतरंग का इस ब्रह्मनाद के माध्यम से ब्रह्म तक की यात्रा हम ध्यान में जाके करें। ध्यान रूपी सरिता से सागर रूपी ब्रह्म तक पहुंचने की कोशिश। Keeping close our eyes, अंतर्दृष्टि से ब्रह्म दृष्टि का दर्शन, नाद ब्रह्म keeping close our eyes, through nada we should try to reach of the Brahma within, अंतर्दृष्टि। इस नाद से अंतर नाद की ओर जाएं, अंतर्दृष्टि की यात्रा हम करें, जहां सृष्टिकर्ता ब्रह्म चैतन्य है। नाद ब्रह्म is a journey from sense to super consciousness। इंद्रिय से आत्मा रूपी ब्रह्म अंतर्दृष्टि की यात्रा है। दिस इज द जर्नी ऑफ अंतर्दृष्टि, आत्मदृष्टि, ब्रह्म दृष्टि। जैसे इस प्रकृति में अनंत नाद है, अनंतेश्वर ब्रह्म नाद है, वैसे ही सिंगिंग बाउल के माध्यम से, नाद के माध्यम से बाह्य दृष्टि से अंतर्दृष्टि की यात्रा हमारी हो। Our journey from outside to inside inner it's a innerness journeys of the divine through Nad Brahma Dhyana। अंतर्नाद, आनंदनाद. It's the nada of the Atma, divine soul. Try to listen the voice of soul. This is Antarnad.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you, Swamiji. It was very nice. Nad Brahma meditation through Nad Brahma Singing Bowl Temple, Mysuru. Param Pujya Swami Nad Yogi Sri Akhilanka Swamiji. Very, very thanks to you, Swamiji, to the giving this beautiful opportunity. We all of us have done beautiful Nad Brahma meditation today through your guiding, practical guiding, and it's a live guiding of Swamiji. I'm again and again thanks to you for your great blessing through this Nad Brahma meditation. Swamiji, I want
Thanks
Yes.
to you. You gave me the opportunity to connect all beloved friends. Blessing to all. If they like the sound, the Nada Brahma meditation, I have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe there. You can get free meditation every day. You have any questions, Swamiji?
Swamiji, it was really amazing, very nice meditation. Just will say to anyone have any question from Delhi, Janakpuri. So many people are watching. Very, very nice. S. Kumar ji, Kedar Joshi ji, Karunesh Rai ji, Birdi Chand. So many people are watching. Anyone have any questions? Someone just low pitch, no problem. It was some technical problems, but we'll cure from next time. So any questions, please ask to write down.
Sure. If you have any question, you are welcome.
बिरदी चांद दम्बी वाला मेडिटेशन ट्यून बहुत शांति में ओम he was giving response. Param Puj Mahadev Sivacharya Swamiji is watching also. Thanks to Swamiji. Hana Anant Rishikesh is watching. Uttam Barnawal is watching. Blanca Gonsike Kushum Sarwar is watching. Suchita Srigadi is watching. So many people say, really, it's very thanks to you, Swamiji. But really, how this techniques is come in your mind? Please explain.
Like 25 years before,
Yes.
I am a artist. I do painting, and I am a gold medalist from Mysore University.
Yes.
and I developed the technique Rainbow Within Us. There you are going to meditate and do the painting and all. So working with so many years,
Yes.
I am longing, I am finding colors
Yes.
have the vibration and each vibration having the colors within that.
Oh.
And vibration and color both are easily available for us.
Yes.
So I meditate and longing. One day I got the blessing from Nada Brahma. So he guiding me to do all this thing, how to do everything he's guiding. Because of his guidance,
Yes.
I am doing all this thing.
Nada Brahma. Brahma is a Nada and Nada is a Brahma. Nada is a Brahma of this divine sound of the Brahma is a Nada. So,
Now they
Yes.
call in the ancient time,
yes.
in Vedic time, our Rishi Muni called Nada Brahma
Yes.
because everything is in vibration.
Yes.
If you see within us, we start in the womb as a vibration.
Yes.
And before we know the language, we know the language of vibration. How
Yes.
our mother feel happy, sad, everything through vibration.
Oh.
After we born, take a birth to this earth,
Yes.
then we are going to perceive the language,
Yes.
Hindi, English, whatever it may be. But before that, vibration is our language.
Yes.
And if you take throughout our life,
Yes, Swami.
the vibration, however we vibrate happily,
Yes.
we breathe like that. And we sad, we breathe like that. Everything connected to vibration. Even if when we are telling lie, we cannot maintain our same voice. The voice slight change.
Oh.
Our vibration and the we are together. Once this vibration stop, maybe the vibration of heart, vibration of cells, whatever it may be, it stop and our life ends.
Yes.
So this is the micro, small vibration. There is so macro, the big vibration,
Yes.
the universal vibration.
Yes.
How to connect to that
Yes.
is the way of Nada Brahma.
Yes. This is the Nada Brahma. Oh. So it's a beautiful knowledge, Swamiji, you have given, and you have experienced very practically to the depths of this beautiful Nada Brahma meditation. And right now, how many countries you have reached, and how many countries people are thus experience this meditation, Swamiji?
I've been to America everywhere, like every year 2 times. I teach there in the university.
Yes.
This Nada Brahma meditation and Nada Yoga and all. And I've been to Finland, Australia, China and all.
Oh, very good, Swamiji. Really, it's an ancient technique of the meditation
Yes.
or divine.
Yes.
And it is really, so many people are just given his feedback. They're feeling very peace of mind and they easily meditate through this technique of meditation. And how in your mind you have built up a singing bowl temple in Mysuru?
Yeah, it's all from the Nada Brahma only.
Yes.
I just, whatever he is guiding, I am going through it.
Yes, yes.
It's not I plan, I do anything. He is guiding me, I am doing it. Right now I am here working with this. I am happy to share this experience with you all. Hope you enjoyed. Stay blessed.
So it's a inner guidance of through your working inner guidance. So some special, some moment in your life to this inner guiding, some special any experience, please you share with ourselves.
Not any like a special. I had the vision, Nada Brahma vision,
Yes.
sky around like a one day, 2 a.m.
Mhm.
And he told me in future the sound healing is going to take part to this earth.
Yes.
Our earth having every time one era.
Yes.
So in future the sound healing is the era, he told, and he guided me to do the mandala and teaching the Nada Yoga and all.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So I feel very blessed to become a chosen one for
Yes.
this.
Really, it's a beautiful technique to easily connect with divine or to it's a antaranada journey from sense to inner consciousness or innerness
Mhm.
journey. So really all are inspired and in future again we'll connect with you in this divine techniques. So we are very feeling energetic and feeling divine. It's a peace of mind and easily it's a just we are all feeling wonder of the this divine consciousness. It's a bliss of the
Uh,
divine.
It's all blessing. I'm so happy to
So
hear that.
So now the Brahma through yourself is doing his work. Means the divine superpower is working through yourself and through your hard working. I have seen you are so many consciously the Brahma's uh, instrument and balance of the instrument. It's a outer and inner balance of this. So it's a very amazing technique, Swamiji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Blessings.
Pranamam, Swamiji. Pranam.
Pranam.
Thank you, Swamiji.